Well, hello everyone. Today we are wrapping up the 3-episode series on how you can grow 1,000 followers on Instagram without feeling the anxiety on social media.
Feels like an ocean. The way you touch me must be emotion.
Welcome everyone to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D and I'm here to help girls and women feel good about themselves, feel empowered despite the negativity around social media. Now, I have saved the best for last, as they always say. Of course, the first two are also good and they are definitely doable. Okay, so if you are frustrated right now because you just can't get enough followers on Instagram, you are probably saying, I can't do it. That's it for me. If you can scroll on Instagram and you just want to view people's posts, you just want to be entertained, and you just want to use it because you're looking for information, then perfect. As long as you don't feel bad about yourself, right? Now, if you want to be a creator, then all the more you got to do something about your Instagram posts so that you can grow your followers and at the same time be tough on social media. Negativity will always be around. There will be lots of comparison. There will be lots of bullying. There could be lots of negative remarks, negative comments. But as they say, we gotta toughen it up because we are here to share something, to share our story, and we are here to enlighten the world with whatever we have to say. You know how they talk about the power of a smile, right? So make sure to smile when you're taking your photos for Instagram. Of course, if your profile is about modeling, you know, where you have those pouty faces, or if your channel is about serious things, of course, you can't really be smiling. But otherwise, if you want to be a travel influencer, if you want to be a foodie, then by all means, smile for the camera. It's almost like you're taking a break from a long 4-hour work or 8-hour work. You want to take a break, right? That's what a smile does. That's a break not only for your facial muscles, but it's also a break for your mental health. And again, we are here to make sure that your self-esteem is up and running. Instagram is your platform. Don't be afraid to take your photos, select the best ones, select the ones that really relay the message that you want to put in your caption. You know, you can enhance using your filters just to bring some sunshine or some light. The one thing I notice is that when I'm taking photos and I have my caption in mind, it actually keeps my mind active. And so it brings a lot of endorphins, like happy thoughts. If we want to stay strong on social media, we have to have a very, very positive outlook. So when you take photos, I do this, I go, oops, I have some bald spot there. Maybe I do it this way. Find your best photo and it creates your best mood. Again, it makes us very positive. That's our goal. Now, I know, no matter how beautiful our photo is, no matter how powerful our caption is, if we don't have likes, sometimes we're not feeling so good, right? Sometimes we're feeling like we're left out. But see, I felt that way too when I was new. But then I realized, one second, this person has been here forever and I'm very new. Or this person has already a huge following, maybe from TikTok or YouTube, and I'm just starting. So we all have different circumstances. So what I will suggest is focus on yourself. This is me. I'm starting. I'm having my baby steps. And I don't really care if everyone has millions or thousands of views, thousands of likes. If I get one like, I am happy. It's all a matter of mindset. Focusing on you, just you, your journey, your road, and just you. Don't look at others. And you'll be happy because you're better today than you were yesterday. And that means a lot. Finally, you want to make sure that what you're posting or the message that you're delivering is answering someone's question or solving someone's problem, because you know that someone out there is going to be very happy with your post. That's the goal. You know that your post is valuable. Maybe they may not have seen it. Maybe they did, but they're just not replying because maybe they're shy. Maybe they prefer to be just in the back end. The fact that it was viewed by someone, you have no idea that you have made such a positive difference in someone's life. Knowing that you have contributed something of value to someone's life, that already boosts your self-esteem. Well, that works for me, and I'm sure that that will work for you. Social media is a social platform. We want to connect. We want to say something. We want to share a story. And if we believe deep in our heart that we were able to share a story and touch someone's life, then that means a lot to us. And who cares if I have 2 or 3 likes? The thing is, tomorrow, that person is probably going to talk about this post. The main secret that I want to share with you is to really build your mindset around positivity. The fact that you're improving, that you are growing on Instagram, is already something that you want to celebrate. We always look at our milestones in terms of the little steps that we take. And when you're consistent with your caption, consistent with your posts, consistent with your theme, with your brand, then slowly people are going to have an idea as to what your purpose is. And if they really want to follow your journey, they're not going to unfollow you as long as you're sticking to your goal. And that wraps up my 3-episode series on how you can grow 1,000 organic followers on Instagram without you feeling the pains of anxiety, of depression, because you're going to enjoy the process. The rewards are just a bonus. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and share and comment. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. And then that way I can help empower you to become strong and tough and really positive when you are on social media. I give away some freebies and bonuses, and I do have a blog. So don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. That's jackied.com. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.